I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how to create holiday cards from the Hero Arts Ice Fishing Stamp Set CM307. Hi everybody. I have already started messing around with this. I started this video a little different this time. I had a time lapse before the introduction. How do you like it? If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and maybe I'll create something similar in the future. So part of what you saw was me taking some die cut pieces, my favorite things stitched cloud edges, and the my favorite things stitched whimsical waves. And these are magnetic storage cards that you can use for your dies, and you can get these at Stampin' Storage. All product links are always in the description below should you ever be interested. I took some paper and die cut all these pieces out. These are the clouds. I left those white. Then I took my Fine Tech Pearlescent watercolors. These are my pride and joys. I just love these things. They're just the most beautiful watercolors I've ever seen. And I have my little tester here, and that's how I kind of figured out what I wanted to do. And I used the pearl silver and put those on the waves.
Those aren't waves, those are mountains.
Okay, I'm gonna use them as mountains, but they're waves, according to the stitch die. So I'm not sure if it looks funny, whatever, but I have assembled two of them. I used the Fine Tech paint on the bottom here, and then also on the mountain waves. Then I came in with some Ranger Distress Oxide inks in the faded jean and the cracked pistachio. Just went over it, spritzed it with some water, dabbed that off. I did not heat set it, and that might be an issue later, but I just didn't want to take out the heat gun. I was busy talking to my friend Stacy.
You know I was talking to Sassy Snicker, not Stacy.
My friend Stacy, who goes by Sassy Snicker, was talking to Sassy Jax. What did Sassy Snicker have to say?
That she's gonna be a birthday girl tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Stacy. I love you. So glad that you're in my life. And Sassy digs you a whole lot as well. I hope that you had a great day, Stacy. Once I got all of that done, I assembled these two pieces on the card front, and I stamped and colored these previously. There were some pieces that I thought I was going to include in these, but I just don't know if it works. I would have to put this behind here. I just don't like it. So I think I'm gonna leave that blank. And I still have to figure out where the sentiment is gonna go. I want to use Happy Winter. I'm pretty sure I could probably put it in the clouds if all of the cards work out. But I'm still kind of not sure what I want to do here. I might do some liquid pearls along the edge line here. But for now, I'm just gonna assemble these up. Hopefully get them to look nice and presentable. I'm going to put on some lovely music for you so you can watch the process, and we'll meet back up in the end. I came in with this Nouveau Crystals drop and added it right where that bottom die cut met the card base, and did the same around all the die cuts on the bottom here, giving the illusion of snow and ice. I have 10 cards completed. The only one that is a little bit different is this one, because I had some extra stuff and I did notice it needs a little bit of trimming. I never seem to remember to do that, but it's so important because it really finishes off how a thing looks. So I'm gonna check them all. I'm going to try the Ranger Distress Oxide Faded Jeans or the Sentiment. Also, using this stamp set, there was all sorts of pieces that I thought I was going to be using on here, but it just doesn't work out. I love the simplicity of this. It is so Minnesota. The colors, the feel, all that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to use this. I think it really would distract. These pieces are going to go to the side so they can be used on other projects. Where am I going to stamp? Can I? Right right here. Happy winter in the top there. That would be the best right there maybe. This is really hard because I don't know. I'm gonna have to do the VersaFine because this will not be on top of that. And I'm gonna have to go with the black. Okay, here we go. Not bad. We'll let that sit so it dries really nice. No smearing because it is on a pearlescent surface with that watercolor that I just used. Uh-oh, I think I got this one crooked. Yeah, maybe a little bit. It's not bad. So far, so good. I'm really, really liking how they're turning out. Did that one down in the bottom there. Well, that's it. They're all done. That was quick. 10 cards are created and I am loving it. They pretty much have the exact same everything on them with the exception of this one is colored slightly different and there's just some different arranging of the die cuts. So I'm gonna run through each one of them real quick here so you can have a close-up.
Run the close-up.
Thank you so much for tagging along while I created these 10 cards. I'm so excited to have you as a viewer. If you want to help out the channel, please give this a thumbs up and share with a friend. Until next time, love you guts. Bye! If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer.